crew is ready to take their clothes off for you so you can take pictures of them. Boudoir photographers, we're working so hard for women to see the beauty that they possess. I'm gonna break this all down, we're gonna step through it together, and I'm gonna make it really easy for you to remember how to tackle everything to make a boudoir session absolutely amazing for every woman. The communication to get to know them, to really connect with them, to understand what their needs are and what they're looking to get out of boudoir photography.
And just kind of lean into the mirror a little bit with your shoulder. Yeah, I love that.
My favorite part of the process is really bonding with the woman and learning why she's doing boudoir and feel it. And I'm trying to put myself out there to teach women that it's okay, regardless of anything that you're going through in life, because we all have things, that you're still beautiful. First of all, any photographer that shoots boudoir has to be on the other side of the camera. I don't care if they never do anything with the photos, but it changes your perspectives. Remember, the most important thing is that you are the boss of these sessions. You're in control, you have the final say. Don't be afraid to be the boss.